Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's after-sale training video, we will invite Engineer 1 to show you guys how to adjust the diagonal accuracy for the third phase cutting of continual cutting line. The purpose of doing it because when the third phase cross cutting cut EPS block sheets appear diagonal accuracy, it can be solved by the correct method. For example, if you want to cut 500 mm EPS block in the third phase cutting, first, hanging cutting wire to the cutting frame to reach 500 mm distance, while remembering to put the value of the cutting wire fusion into consideration. And after adjust the distance between these two sides and measuring the diagonal division, and then adjust the screw accordingly. Please pay attention of the direction. Make sure it's right. Here is how to adjust step. First, loosen the screw. The EPS cutting line which you see from this video is to cut 2-meter long EPS block. So there is total 4 screws in the third phase cutting section to fix different EPS block lengths corresponding to the different number of the fixed screws. In this video, it's 4 plus 1. Total is 5. Use a small wrench to adjust the position to achieve the diagonal adjustment. When you gain more experience, you can achieve it by the right method only by doing once. Let's take a close view here. We adjust a total 5 screws here. Okay, this is pretty much everything for this video. If you guys want to know more information about EPS machine or EPS cutting line, leave your comments below or contact with us by email. I'll see you next video. Bye.